In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a dashboard in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right into it. First off, if you're new to Asana, dashboards can be incredibly helpful for visually managing and analyzing your projects. But there may come a time when you decide that you no longer need a specific dashboard. Luckily, it's a pretty straightforward process. To begin, you'll want to look at the left-hand panel of your main Asana interface. There, you should be able to locate the reporting section. This is where all your dashboards live and where you can access all the reports you've created or interacted with in the past. Once you're in the reporting section, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a list of all the dashboards you've created or accessed in Asana. You'll see the names of each dashboard displayed, which will help you identify the one you want to get rid of. Now find the specific dashboard that you wish to delete. To make the task easier, simply move your cursor over that dashboard name. As you do this, you should notice a small three-dot icon appear to the right side of the name. This icon is your gateway to management options for that dashboard. Next, click on the three-dot icon. This will open up a drop-down menu that offers you several management actions. Among these options, you will see one labeled Delete Dashboard. Take your time to look through the choices to make sure you've selected the right action. Once you click on the Delete Dashboard option, Asana will typically show you a confirmation prompt. This step is really important as it helps prevent any accidental loss of important data. If you're sure that you want to proceed, meaning you're ready to say goodbye to that dashboard, review the prompt carefully. It often gives you a final chance to reconsider your decision. After you've confirmed that you do want to delete the dashboard, all you need to do is click the button that finalizes the deletion. With that click, Asana will permanently remove the selected dashboard from your reporting list. This step is crucial as you'll want to be certain about your choice before moving forward. And that's it. You're done. Pretty simple, right? Now, take a moment to check your reporting section to confirm that the dashboard has indeed been removed. If you see that it's no longer there, congratulations, you've successfully deleted a dashboard in Asana. So whether you're cleaning up your workspace or just decluttering your project management tools, knowing how to manage your dashboards can be essential for maintaining organization. Don't forget to apply this skill next time you find a dashboard you no longer need. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on using Asana effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.